We need to take on some water.
Alrighty, tell them to close that up.
The ES44 AC comes accurately decorated in modern motive power paint schemes. Our near-scale model is a full 17 inches in length, yet operates comfortably on 031 curves. Under the hood lies the ProtoSound 3.0 digital sound and control package found in our more expensive Premiere model of this locomotive. Sounds recorded from the actual prototype and the charging lights found on the GEVO demonstrator model recreate the same effect found on the real-life model GE used to woo railroads during sales demonstrations.
Throughout the history of model railroading, there have been few trains which have captured the imagination in the same way as the Lionel 400E Blue Comet. Hailed at the time as the largest and most powerful model locomotive ever built, the first example of this tin plate masterpiece hit the shelves of toy shops and department stores in 1931. The Lionel 400E Blue Comet from MTH Electric Trains brings the excitement and the atmosphere of the original into the 21st century.
Now arriving from San Francisco on track 1, train number 44, rise.
Beneath the classic tin plate cladding, you'll find all the modern features you'd expect on any MTH locomotive, including a quiet, smooth-running DCS-equipped motor, and both our Proto-Smoke and Proto-Sound units, bringing this model to life in ways that a 1930s child could only dream of. Available to purchase separately is the accompanying 3-car passenger set, featuring 2 coach cars and a rear platform observation car. In the early 1900s, the Baldwin Locomotive Works produced their most unique and peculiar domestic steam locomotive, the Triplex. Designed to provide helper power for trains tackling steep gradients, the type featured an unusual 28882 wheelbase with 3 pairs of cylinders mounted to a rigid frame, requiring an articulated design. While impressive in appearance, the type was ultimately considered unsuccessful, with the few examples produced barely able to produce enough steam to reach 10 miles per hour while performing their duties. By the early 1930s, all but one were scrapped, bringing an end to the brief story of North America's most bizarre mainline steam locomotive. Now you can bring this unusual chapter of steam railroading to Euro-scale model railroad with the MTH Premier Line Erie Triplex featuring Proto-Sound 3.0. Just as with the historic original, all driving rods are fully operational, and our Proto-Smoke unit allows for functionality of both front and rear stacks.
They want us to bring string empty cars back downhill. Good.
As Germany's premier heavy freight hauler, the BR-44 became one of only a handful of steam locomotives prioritized for wartime production. By the end of series production in 1944, nearly 2,000 BR-44s had been produced by 14 factories in Germany and occupied territories. After World War II, the big locomotives acquired the nickname jumbos as strong, untiring, and good-natured beasts of burden. During the German economic miracle, the jumbos were significant contributors to the recovery and the success of German industry. They hauled heavy ore and coal trains, as well as mixed freights with manufactured goods over long routes and steep grades. BR-44 engines remained in regular service until the end of steam in Germany, 1977 in the west and 1981 in the east. These superbly detailed BR-44 models from MTH Electric Trains recreate the power, dependability, and sheer drama that have endeared the jumbos to generations of rail fans. Heavy die-cast metal construction and a powerful electronically controlled drivetrain offer enormous tractive effort and superior running qualities. Each version accurately replicates how the BR-44 looked in a particular era. And thanks to Proto-Sound 3.0, we can see, hear, and feel the dynamics of these massive engines, with smooth operation from crawl to full throttle, synchronized puff and smoke, conventional command operation with DCC or MTH's digital command system, and distinctive three-cylinder exhaust notes and other sounds recorded from an actual BR-44. The MTH Jumbos bring back the steam era as a thrilling experience for our senses in the gorgeous size of O-Gauge.